It is day 47 on the trail. We are starting at the Lower Valley Nature Reserve side trail where we left off. It is a much nicer day than last time we were on the trail. We're hiking today and tomorrow, so we're just doing a short 5K today. It's a big hill to start off with.
It's not even trail kilometers.
Super steep.
I know, right? They're just saying.
Okay, almost at the top. So we're at the top, finally. And going down. We are back on the Bruce Trail. We've been about 10 minutes on the side trail, so we're making pretty good time. Hopefully we can keep this up. This section of the trail has lots of hills. Oh my goodness. And steep ones too.
No. She said no, it's not.
Gets a little mucky here. Another big hill, here we go. Oh, it goes all the way over there. This section of trail between Eugenia Falls and Hoggs Falls is gorgeous.
Be very, very rough.
Stone?
Is that another hill to climb?
Yep.
But yet,
Oh my goodness.
because I landed on something else. No!
All right, we are crossing Lower Valley Road. This is the road we are parked on both sides. So just a little bit left till we're at the van.
We can hear the waterfall.
Oh, there it is. Oh, cool. I'll have to go down to it.
I'm going to take a little butt scoop.
Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is so cool. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at that view. They've got a rope here at Hoggs Falls to go down with. Go back up, I guess. Charlene made it down too.
Now we see if Graham falls in the river or not. What is going on? You're gonna leave me at the bottom of this? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I'm back down now. He just has to get past this river full of leaves.
Well, that was a great adventure. That was super fun. Got to do a little scrambling, a little climbing. So good. Oh, is that the van?
What? There!
There we go, another 5 kilometers of trail done. We're back at the van. We spent last night at Lila's Villa Inn, and it's a really good spot. It had a restaurant attached to it, which was really nice. Food there was delicious, and now we're about to hit the trail for another 13 kilometers. We are back on the trail. Temporary reroute of the Bruce due to flooding. Turn left and follow the road. That's what the map says anyway.
Well, we are now.
So we have about a kilometer on the road here. We're following along East Back Road. Check it out, we finally made it to the most southern point of the Bruce Trail in the Beaver Valley. It feels good to be heading north again. Starting off with a nice big hill.
And Dad.
Made it. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Getting warm, eh? I know the saying goes, what goes up must come down, but hikers know it the other way around. What goes down must go up. And we made it back to the river. Looks like they're putting in a bridge or something right there. That's cool. Ooh, it got chilly down by the creek here. Wow, what a temperature change. Ooh, you okay?
Yep.
How did this get here? This is gorgeous. Woo! I almost fell. Did we get to cross this?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, don't get wet feet. Do you need a hand?
Yeah, okay. I'll get there.
Okay, my legs are feeling it.
We found a bench on a random part of the trail. Good spot for a rest. Wow. Old fence in the tree. That's crazy. Right through it. It's a weird tree.
Guys, do you remember climbing up that hill with the tubes and the 2 towers at the top?
Yeah.
Way
right there.
over there. That wasn't that long ago. And we were way over there. We've hiked all the way down the mountain.
We will play for like a long time. And we'll walk.
Hey, this looks like a good spot for lunch, eh guys?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at that view. That's beautiful. We had a great spot for lunch. Great views, and now we're back on the trail.
Are you
Cute little guy. Downstairs, yeah.
We've just come to this nice, pretty little river.
We are at the waterfall. Attention hikers, steep slope ahead. Use extra caution in wet weather. Okay, hold on a second, Bear. I'm just gonna go this way for a sec. Wow, look at that.
We're approaching civilization again. Coming up to a road and parking lot here, or someone's yard. Whew.
You know it's a warm day when? From one field to another. That sign's high, eh?
Yeah.
What is that doing way up there? This is a beautiful little valley.
Alright, up and over.
Where's the farthest treehouse? What is the sign?
Check out this tree. It rotted and died and fell and hung on by that much. Oh, that's crazy. How is that still up there?
12 now. Yay!
Oh,
I have it!
oh, he won.
I think I have 14.
Now I have 13.
Yeah.
I hear waterfall. Oh wow, that's super pretty. That is incredible. Oh my goodness. Check out that waterfall. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, we get to cross the stream again.
Okay.
I don't know how we're gonna do it to stay dry. Maybe down here or up there. You did it your way?
Yeah.
This is gorgeous.
Okay, I can see a boardwalk across the river, but it seems like it is way down there. I can't believe we're gonna go down that quickly.
Beautiful little cabin. Here we go. That's right. 18. I'm gonna catch up in no time. Stray Road 30. Enjoying a much needed break. All right, let's make our way up this big hill.
We have 2.2 kilometers
Mom,
left of the
how
van.
many do I have again?
Keep on the sunny side, always on the sunny side. All right, so we're gonna cross the road, hop over the guardrail, and follow the hydro cut. Give me your hand, Link. Lincoln went under. I'm going over.
I know it's a muff.
Crazy. Oh, you can't reach it. I get them. I get them.
I got one.
Oh, 1, 2. What is that? 20 for me.
Stick to
Up and over the stile.
Like always.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
And I won.
stairs. 40.
Mom,
Yeah?
this is a deciduous tree.
No, it's a coniferous.
Oh, I'm gonna walk up that.
Yeah, we are parked at the top of this hill. Oh my goodness.
All right, we took a little break at the bottom of the ski hill by the chairlift. We have 1.5 kilometers to the van, but they are kilometers that go straight up.
Oh boy, that's looking steep. Oh, it goes this way. Oh, oh, good. I thought we had to go up that. This is nicer than walking straight up that hill. Oh boy, it's getting steep. Come on, girls, you've got it. Still going up.
Through the top.
You get to the top and then you come back out by that little.
So we've leveled off a little bit, but looking at the hill across, we still have a long way up to go. We made it to the top of the ski lift. Still not exactly sure where we're supposed to go, but we'll find out. But there we are. We're at the top. So we still got quite a ways to go up. Oh boy.
So far uphill. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. We got this. Okay, we're on the steepest section here now.
Such a big hill. It doesn't feel like that long ago. We were standing over on that cliff thinking, pretty soon we're gonna be over at that ski hill. Wow. The steepest part. And we're almost there. Those views are incredible. So this is where we're leaving the trail for today. We're just leaving the restaurant. Unfortunately, it was closed, so we couldn't go. It was a great 13 kilometers on the trail, and we're excited for next time. There's the van.